Today we are making homemade donuts and I will show you how to make chocolate glaze as well. The ingredients are super simple and can be found in any household, so it's perfect for lockdown. We will need 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of castor sugar, quarter cup of lukewarm water and quarter cup of lukewarm milk, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Our first step is to mix the water in the milk and leave it aside. And whisk the egg so it's easier to mix in our ingredients. Now in one large bowl, add in the flour along with the sugar. If you don't have castor sugar, you can add normal sugar as well. And then the milk powder. And the yeast. And the egg. And lastly the butter. Your butter can be melted or it can be at room temperature, it's up to you. And then we're going to mix all the ingredients together. When you feel like your ingredients have mixed in nicely, with the help of our milk mixture, we're going to form a nice soft dough. Add the milk mixture gradually. Please note our dough is going to be very sticky and very soft, so it's going to be a bit difficult to handle. When our dough has formed, we're going to knead it on our shelf for about 5 minutes. We're going to stretch the dough so the gluten can form. In a bowl, add some oil and spread it with the use of a brush so the dough doesn't stick to the side. Place the dough in the middle and cover it and let it rise for 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. The timing is super important. If you do not adhere to it, you'll get flat donuts. Now it has been 2 hours since our dough was rising and now it has doubled in size. We're going to sprinkle some flour on the shelf and knead it again so all the air bubbles can be released. We're going to leave our dough on the shelf again for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes it has rised and it's perfect for rolling. And now we're going to roll it as big as we can. You don't want to roll it too thin because then your donuts will not be soft. It has to be at least 1 centimeter thick. With the help of these things, I don't know where I found them, but I found them. We're going to make our donuts. You can use anything you like. as long as you get the right shape. We're going to do the same for the rest of our donuts. We're going to place all the donuts in my dust tray so it doesn't stick. Make sure the donuts do not lose their shape, so place them carefully. Place them at a nice distance so when they rise for the third time, they do not stick to each other. So much work, but the end result, trust me, will be worth it. Let it rise for 15 minutes. The rest of the dough, you do not waste it, you gather it again and you make more donuts. After 15 minutes our donuts have risen. Now it's time to fry them. Let's check the temperature. This is exactly what we want. I heated the oil at medium speed. So we're going to fry it at medium to low speed. Place them in carefully and fry till they get a golden color. Now we're going to do the same for the rest of our donuts. They look so amazing. I just want to eat them. But we will have to wait. Now we're going to take them out and remove all the excess oil. You can place a paper towel so it can absorb all the oil. We do not want oily donuts. And now for our last batch, we're going to do the same. With just 2 cups of flour, we were able to make so many donuts. and then we're going to let them cool on a wire rack. We need them warm for glazing. Let me show you from the inside how amazing it looks. Who needs Krispy Kreme when you got homemade donuts? And then for our chocolate glaze, these are our ingredients. 1 cup icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Soft the icing sugar. Soft it carefully, you do not want to make a mess. But oh well, softening is messy. After our icing sugar has softened, we're going to soft our cocoa powder. And then we're going to mix it nicely. After it has mixed, you must add in the vanilla essence. And then we're going to use the milk to give us our desired consistency. So add in the milk gradually. Our icing is done and look how amazing it looks. It looks just like melted chocolate. Perfect for glazing. And then now we're going to glaze our donuts. You can glaze it half or you can glaze the whole one. It's all up to you. And then we're going to decorate them. You can decorate them using anything you like, such as coconut or even icing sugar, or just eat them how they are. And they taste super amazing. And then they are done. This took so much of time and so much effort, but trust me when I say they were worth it. So give them a thumbs up for all the effort I put into them.